Stock Watchers, and welcome to your Daily Stock Report brought to you by QualityStocks.net, where performance is tracked daily. I'm Cathy Rankin, and for Wednesday, May 23rd, we're bringing you the latest news from around the markets as well as the top movers to look out for today. So in our headline news, in similar fashion to yesterday's session, the major averages finished mixed, with the underperforming Nasdaq again attracting the bulk of buying interest amid another rotation into more growth-oriented names. For a second straight session, the S&P 500 eclipsed its all-time closing high of 1,527.46 intraday, but it again failed to sustain its momentum to finish there. With the S&P 500 closing at new 7-year highs a day earlier, coupled with several indices near record levels, it wasn't surprising to see the market looking tired on Tuesday. After all, there was little in the way of market-moving news for the bulls to keep buying efforts intact. Another day with nothing scheduled on the economic calendar also left investors struggling to find catalysts to keep a bid in equities. Treasury Secretary Paulson said the housing slump is largely contained and that its correction is mostly behind us. However, Richmond Fed President Lacker said in a CNBC interview that it's not clear that housing demand has hit bottom and that the inventory overhang will continue to be a drag. As evidenced by the Nasdaq's outperformance, technology turned in the day's best performance, but it was among only 3 sectors in positive territory, and it only closed up 0.2%. Energy was the day's biggest laggard, as a downturn in oil prices prompted some widespread profit-taking in the best-performing sector of late. At their lows, oil prices erased Monday's entire 2.1% advance in sympathy with a nearly 4% sell-off in gas futures before eventually settling down 2% just below $65 per barrel. Crude for July delivery, which is now the front-month contract following the expiration of the June contract, fell 2% to $65.51 a barrel. Nonetheless, falling crude futures seem to do little for investor psyche if prices at the pump remain at record levels. And now for our small cap news brought to you today by Compressed Technologies Incorporated. Compressed Technologies has garnered a group of patented and protected core technology solutions utilizing both hardware and software applications designed to greatly improve the efficiencies of bandwidth and network topographies for the cable TV, FM SCA radio, satellite, and wireless industries. Now, during the next few days, the QualityStocks.net Daily will be profiling the companies that will be presenting at the Red Chip Small Cap Investor Conference in San Francisco, California on May 29th and 30th in 2007, in recognition of what we feel in the small cap world is a tremendous event to take part in. Universal Guardian Holdings Incorporated announced that their Afghanistan subsidiary was awarded a third renewal of $1.5 million for a 12-month contract to support Military Personnel Resources International, by providing interpreter management services for Military Personnel Resources International. Universal Guardian CEO Michael Skellern additionally stated last month that the company expects to generate more than $8 million in Cobra Stun-Lite sales by the end of fiscal year 2007 due to new infomercial and commercial campaigns. Xannet Incorporated announced its first quarter 2007 services revenue, including reimbursed expenses, at $12 million, up 12% from $10.7 million the same quarter a year ago. Xannet is an information technology company that provides customized mission-critical IT solutions to Fortune 500 corporations, mid-market companies, and classified government agencies involved in homeland defense and homeland security. And that's it for our newsmakers today. Stay tuned right here to Quality Stocks Daily for the latest commentary on small cap to large cap and everything in between, brought to you by QualityStocks.net. And make sure you watch for the Quality Stocks Daily newsletter, which is available each and every trading day through QualityStocks.net. Thanks for tuning in. I'm Cathy Rankin. Have a great day, and we'll see you again tomorrow on the Daily Report.
You've got it.